In this video, our Ableton Live instructor, Thomas Glendinning, shows us the ins and outs of Simpler and demonstrates how you can turn essentially any sample into a playable instrument.
Let's load up a blank instance of Simpler and start to explore its different modes. Classic mode works by pitching a sample across the keyboard so you can play it like an instrument. Let's add in our own sample and look at some of the sample controls. Go to the Pack section in the browser, then go to the Core Library, Samples, Synth, and Acid Meltdown. Here we have basic single-note samples. Let's grab the one that says C3 and load it into Simpler by dragging and dropping. Notice how even though the sample was just one note, Simpler immediately allows us to play this note across the keyboard. You can do this with absolutely any sample. Let's go back to the browser and go into the folder of drum samples, then into the bell folder. Let's grab this cowbell sample and add it to our Simpler. This will replace the previous sample. Notice how even a sample that might not ordinarily be pitched can be turned into an instrument with Simpler. I'll press undo to go back to our synth sample for now. Just below the sample when we're in classic mode, we have the sample manipulation controls. Gain simply controls the gain of the sample itself. Start controls where in the sample we start playback. At the moment, loop is disabled, so let's turn that on using the loop button. Notice how now when I hold down a note, the sample repeats. The loop, length, and fade controls let us adjust the selection within the sample that will loop. So we can take a sample that might not otherwise sustain and get it to loop. Let's go back to our bell sample. Notice how Simpler keeps the sample settings, but just changes the sample. Let's see if we can turn this cowbell into a synth. Notice how if we set the loop small enough, we start to get a sustaining tone. So with a Simpler, we can take almost any sound and turn it into an instrument. Whenever you use a sample that doesn't have a defined pitch like our cowbell, it's always a good idea to check that the sound is tuned to the right note. We can use Live's tuner device, which we'll find in the audio effects category. At the moment, I'm playing the note of C on my keyboard, but my tuner is giving me a B. So I need to tune this note. I'll go over to my Control tab and adjust the sample's pitch. Now I've turned my cowbell into a synth.
Thanks for tuning into another Point Blank tutorial. If you want to learn more, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website, pointblankmusicschool.com, to find out more about our courses.